We'll start with the Mustad C49S size 14. This is a real simple pattern, but it's a pattern that I would not go trout fishing without in 3 or 4 sizes. So we just attach a little bit of black thread. Then what we want is a little foam cylinder. We just go back so we have a bit of tying thread for purchase, and then we just tie this in where we need it for the post. We go back a wee ways like that, and then we want to trim this off at an angle. Spin our thread anti-clockwise. We just want to attach this then we go back, go down, oops, into the bend, and then we go back up, and we just want to cover the abdomen with black tying thread. This is a great pattern. I'm sure all of you that are watching this have been in a situation where there is just small black stuff on the water, and whenever that is the case, or even in cases where the fish are taking stuff and you can't get them to take anything, this works. It is a phenomenal pattern. So we want to go back up here, just spin my tying thread again, just cover the foam so we get a taper on the body there. We just cover the white. There we are. And what we want to do is just go around to build up a little base for the post, just so we have a nice foundation for the hackle. So we go to there, we take our hackle and we just attach this, and we'll go up all the way to there, and then we come back down again. Oops. Just make sure that our hackle's positioned correctly. There we are, that's perfect. Couldn't be better. Just all that post out the way. And trim that off. I can see that there's a bit of white there on the other side where the foam's showing through, so we'll just cover that. Sure, it doesn't make that much difference, but it looks like a neater fly. Just go over those, and then we get the tapered body. The nice thing is that all you need is a black hackle and black thread and a bit of foam. And you can use dubbing on the thorax if you wish, but I'm going to use a peacock curl that I've taken just under the eye of a peacock tail feather. The shorter holes there, bend that down. Oops, there we go. And all we want here is just a couple of turns of hurl. And you can tie this any size you like, even up to a size 6. I've used it as like a clink hammer. There we are. And then we'll just give that a whip finish. That. Remove our tying thread. Replace that in the vise. just reattach our tying thread. I like to lock that off when I reattach it like that. Go down right on top of the thorax. Get rid of that. And then just wind our ankle. You don't need loads of turns here. Once over the top of the ankle, once underneath. So then we can remove that, take our whip finisher again, make sure you keep under all the ankle fibres, go up. You can put a drop of varnish on here if you will, just on the tying thread when you tighten. That's it, and we just remove that and we'll turn it around. And then you can leave the post as long as you like, but I like to cut it off short like that, and there we have it, the small black thing. As usual, if you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.